Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Easy AI. Today we will learn how if conditions work in JavaScript. Let's get started by creating a JavaScript file, and I'll give the name as script.js. So my JavaScript file is created. Let me just close it. Yeah. So here we'll write the code. So as we have to check a condition, we need a variable and a value to store it. So let me just give as let age is equal to 23. Okay. We are testing for simple if. Okay. It will not have any else condition. So there is only one condition to be checked, and only one statement would be executed. So let me just give as if age greater than or equal to 18, then we can vote. So let us see the output. Let me just open my terminal, new terminal. Let's see for now. Let us see if else statement. Okay, there will be two executable statements for only one condition. Okay, so let us see how to do it. So if age greater than or equal to 18, then console.log, you can let me just add else here. This is how you check as for if else statement. So let us see the output. Here I have given 13. So I will just comment this out. So now let us see the output. I have saved it, and yeah, we have got you cannot vote, as you can see, and it's correct because I have given here as age is equal to 13. So you cannot vote below the age of 18. Okay, so this is how if else statement work. I have explained you very simple, and I hope you get the logic how it is working. Okay, so next let us go to if else if statement. Okay, so multiple if conditions, we can have multiple if condition. So like let me take an example of marks. So let marks is equal to 75. Okay, so let us see. So first there's if condition. First let me just marks greater than or equal to 90 as distinction. Next else if marks greater than or equal to 70 as first class. Let me just add another one so that you get it clearly. Else if so I have given a second class for greater than or equal to 60. Then let me just add an else and console.log. Whoever gets below 50, they are failed. Okay, so let me just here I have given as 75, so I should get first class. So let me see the output. So yeah, it's first class. Let me just change it to 40. I should get as fail. See, I have got fail, so it's correct, it's working. So simple if else if statement. I think it's clear. Okay, so let us go to the next if condition. So let me just comment it out. So next is our nested if. So our next if statement is nested if. Nested if is nothing but two if conditions, one condition inside another if condition. Okay, so let us see how to do it or how it works. So first let me just take an example of let username is equal to John or something, John. So next let me just take let password is equal to 123. Okay, so let me just use an if condition. If username is equal to John, and another if condition for password to 3, then Let me just open the bracket and console log. Login success. Else. Wrong password. It like this. So let us see what will it. Okay, so login is success. Let me just change the password here for. So let us see now. We should get as wrong password. Yeah, we have got the wrong password. So yeah. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Code Easy AI for more coding tips. Thank you everyone.